Smart home upgrades don't have to be complicated or expensive. We've picked 15 beginner-friendly gadgets under $100 with prices dropping as we go. Hit like, check the links in the description, and let's dive in. Number 15, Ring Video Doorbell is an excellent option for anyone concerned about security or missing visitors. It offers a simple, wireless setup that streams 1080p video directly to your phone, allowing you to see and communicate with anyone at your door, even when you're not home. This model includes motion alerts and two-way audio, which helps deter potential package thieves and gives you peace of mind. It's especially convenient for renters or anyone who prefers an easy installation without the need for drilling or wiring. If you're looking for a reliable and straightforward way to keep an eye on your doorstep, this doorbell is a solid choice. Number 14, Petcube Play Pet Camera. If you miss your pets while you're away, the Petcube Play Pet Camera is a fantastic solution. This pet camera allows you to watch your pets, talk to them, and even play with them using the built-in laser pointer. It's also compatible with a treat dispenser, sold separately, so you can reward your pets remotely. The camera's two-way. Audio feature lets you soothe anxious animals with your voice. For pet owners who are frequently away from home, this is a valuable tool for staying connected with your furry friends and ensuring they are safe and happy while you're gone. Number 13, Google Nest Hub, 2nd Gen, $99.99. The Google Nest Hub. 2nd Gen is a versatile and easy-to-use smart display that can help you manage your home with ease. Its 7-inch screen allows you to control a variety of smart devices, such as lights, thermostats, and cameras, either by voice or touch. In addition to home automation, you can watch YouTube videos, check live camera feeds, or use it as a digital photo frame to display your favorite pictures. The sleep tracking feature is a standout, offering insights that can help you optimize your bedtime routine and improve sleep quality. If you're looking for a smart hub to streamline your daily tasks and enhance your home experience, this is a great option. Number 12, August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, $84.99. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is an ideal choice for anyone looking to upgrade their door security without the need to replace the entire lock. Installation is quick and easy, as it fits over your existing deadbolt, allowing you to lock and unlock your door via your phone, voice commands, or auto unlock as you approach. This lock also gives you the flexibility to grant temporary access to family, friends, or service providers without the need to hide spare keys. It's particularly useful for busy households, Airbnb hosts, or anyone who struggles with forgotten keys. If you're seeking a smart lock that's both functional and user-friendly, this model is worth considering. Number 11, SwitchBot Smart Curtain Rod. For those looking to automate their window coverings, the SwitchBot Smart Curtain Rod offers a practical and affordable solution. This device allows you to control your curtains through a smartphone app or voice commands, opening them at sunrise and closing them at bedtime without the need for rewiring. It's easy to install, as it clips onto your existing curtain rods. If you're someone who enjoys the convenience of automation or wants to give the illusion that someone is home while traveling, this product is a great addition to your smart home setup. Number 9. Moen Smart Faucet Adapter. The Moen Smart Faucet Adapter makes everyday kitchen tasks more convenient by enabling hands-free operation of your faucet. You can turn the water on and off by simply using your voice or a hand gesture, which is especially useful when your hands are full or messy while cooking. Additionally, the Smart Faucet Adapter lets you ask Alexa to dispense specific amounts of water, like 2 cups, which is great for precise tasks. If you're tired of constantly touching your faucet or want to reduce the spread of germs, this device is a great way to make your kitchen more efficient and hygienic. Number 8. Echo Dot 5th Gen. The Echo Dot 5th Gen is an affordable way to start incorporating voice-controlled technology into your home. It's a compact speaker that fits well in smaller spaces, and it delivers clear sound for its size. The device can control smart home products, set timers, answer questions, and much more, all through Alexa's voice commands. If you're new to smart home devices or just looking for a simple way to make your home more connected, the Echo Dot is an excellent entry-level option that won't break the bank. Number 7. Philips Hue White Smart Bulb. White smart bulbs are an easy and effective way to enhance your home's lighting. With the ability to dim and schedule your lights through a smartphone app or voice commands, these bulbs can be customized to suit any mood or occasion. They fit into any standard lamp, so installation is simple and no rewiring is necessary. If you want to create a more comfortable or inviting atmosphere in your home, or if you just want to automate your lighting for convenience, these smart bulbs are an excellent, cost-effective choice. Number 6. Eufy Smart Scale. Smart Scale is a great tool for anyone tracking their health and fitness goals. It provides measurements of various metrics, including weight, body fat, muscle mass, and more. The scale syncs data directly to your phone through an app, allowing you to track your progress over time. With its sleek design and silent operation, it's a great choice for those looking for an easy way to monitor their health metrics without the noise and hassle of traditional scales. Whether you're just starting on a wellness journey or are already an active fitness enthusiast, this smart scale can help you stay on track. Number 5. Samsung SmartThings. The Samsung SmartThings motion sensor is an easy way to add hands-free automation to your home. This sensor detects movement and can trigger actions such as turning on lights or activating security cameras. It can be discreetly placed in hallways, entryways, or other areas to ensure your home is well lit and secure without needing to manually flip switches. It's a useful addition for anyone looking to make their home more energy efficient and safer by automating routine tasks like lighting control and security. Number 4. Govee Smart LED Strip Lights. Govee Smart LED strip lights are a simple and affordable way to add vibrant color and ambiance to any room. These flexible, waterproof strips can be installed easily behind furniture, along shelves, or under beds, and they offer a wide range of color options, 16 million to be exact, that can be controlled via an app or voice commands. Whether you're hosting a party, decorating for a holiday, or creating the perfect mood for relaxation, these LED lights are a versatile and fun way to transform your space. Number 3. YoLink Smart Water Leak Sensor. Worried about unexpected water leaks? The YoLink Smart Water Leak Sensor is here to save the day. Place it near sinks, water heaters, or in the basement, and it'll alert you the moment it detects any leaks. Imagine catching a problem early and avoiding costly water damage. Pair it with the YoLink valve, sold separately, and it can even shut off the water automatically. How's that for peace of mind? If you want an affordable, easy-to-use solution to protect your home, this sensor is a must-have. Number 2. Aqara Temperature Humidity Sensor. Looking to keep your home environment just right? The Aqara Temperature Humidity Sensor makes it easy. This little gadget monitors the temperature and humidity in areas like nurseries, greenhouses, or even wine cellars. You can also connect it to other smart devices to adjust the environment automatically, perfect for avoiding issues like mold or dry air. If you're after a simple, budget-friendly way to maintain a comfortable indoor climate, this sensor is the perfect fit. Number 1. TP-Link Kasa Smart Plug 2-pack. To make your home smarter without breaking the bank, the TP-Link Kasa Smart Plug is a fantastic starting point. This 2-pack lets you control lamps, coffee makers, or even holiday lights from your smartphone. You can set timers, schedules, or just turn devices on and off remotely. It's super easy to use and ideal for anyone dipping their toes into home automation. If convenience and simplicity sound good to you, these smart plugs are the way to go.